Once upon a time, in a forest bright and green, lived Nutty the squirrel, the swiftest ever seen. He leapt through branches, light and free, gathering acorns beneath each tree. One gentle day, he met wise Ollie Owl, who read forest maps with a watchful scowl, calm and clever, steady and wise, with moonlit feathers and thoughtful eyes. Soon came Flick the fox, playful and bold, loving adventures more than gold. And under the trees, wild and free, the three became friends in harmony. One morning, Natty discovered a mysterious map hidden under the old tree. The map showed the location of a lost treasure somewhere deep in the forest. Excited, the friends decided to go on an adventure to find it. But the forest was full of challenges: thick bushes, rivers, steep hills. As they moved deeper into the forest, Nutty climbed the tallest trees to spot the path. Ole guided them with his wisdom and sharp eyes. Flick ran ahead to clear obstacles. They faced challenges like crossing a raging stream, avoiding a sneaky snake, getting past a dark cave. Each obstacle taught them to be careful, brave, and work together. Finally, they arrived at a hidden clearing. There, under a pile of golden leaves, they found the treasure, a chest full of shiny acorns and gems. The friends celebrated their hard work and teamwork. Nettie, Ollie, and Flick learned that the journey and friendship were the real treasure.